How to get Microsoft reward points fast. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Microsoft reward points really fast. So before we start, if you're new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, you'll need to head over to your web Chrome. So simply search for Chrome Web Extensions or Chrome Web Store, whichever works. So simply search that, hit enter, and you will see the Chrome Web Store. Open that up, and under extensions, you'll need to search for Bing Automate. So just head over to Bing Automate and tap to add to Chrome. Now add the extension and it should start adding. So as you can see, it has been added. Now we can pin this for easy access. Now head over to your Microsoft Reward and tap on Points Breakdown. Now tap on PC Search. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to just automate your Bing search. Tap on this, accept the risks. Now you will need to make sure that you have delays. So just keep the delays in 5 to 10 seconds and make sure that you only use this once every 2 or 3 days. Now if you use it too many times, Microsoft will get notified and you might get your account suspended. So after you do that, tap on Start Search, and yeah, that is basically it. That is how you do it, guys, and yeah, that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.